Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So my name's Dan and this is Isaac here. So yeah, I wanted to start a car channel for the longest time, and just yesterday I actually managed to pick myself up a Bmw 318. So I've been wanting to start a channel and do a build on it for a little while. And when I did up the 46, I sort of like regretted not documenting it. So yeah, I picked this thing up, but first, before I tell you a little bit about it, I've got to pull my car out so that we can pull this car in. Alright, so it does currently run at the moment. Yeah, you got to keep on the accelerator. Don't keep it on as you put it into drive though. Oh, nice. Yeah. Start in neutral.
I think it's Cam.
Turn it off. God, what are you doing? Alright, pop bonnet.
Yep.
Pull it. Alright, and here we are. Whoop, fuck ya. Alright, so a little bit about the car. It's a Bmw 318 IS. So obviously, as you can see, it's been involved in an accident, which I believe may have been with a forward drive, and they've sort of hit underneath the like the back tailgate and dented the car more down than sort of frontwards. So the bumper has like pretty minimal damage. Let me get some lights here for you guys. So the bumper has pretty minimal damage, but obviously the whole headlight's done. The front cone piece, panel, whatever, the nose panel for the car is completely done. The fender and the bonnet all need replacing. So I picked this up for $450 and 3 Ferrari-Rochers. So yeah, we're gonna fix the car up. We're gonna get it going. I think today, what are we gonna do?
Pull the bonnet off. That's all we can really do.
Gonna pull the bonnet off. I think we're gonna jump on it, take it for a bit of a drive. Yeah, oh, and we got to fix the split in the intake boot as well. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so we're just going to give the car a start now. Never mind, we're not giving the car a start. Ready?
Gotta use the grey key.
Wait, you're kidding! I was like a fucking tree! Mate! What are the odds? Wow, I'm actually so impressed with the idol. Mate, she chirps like a champ.
Works well.
What?
Works beautifully.
What is that? Oh yeah. Wow. I haven't tested the AC yet. Oh, it's got climate control too. Oh man. Oi. She has the coldest AC.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
Oh goodness.
Oh. Alright, so that's the update so far. As we got it started. We got it running. It idles bloody beautifully. And we have half of the headlight sitting in the center console. Just pulling out the bonnet sort of so I can take hopefully the whole bonnet off and straighten this out somehow. That's actually not fucking bad.
Yeah, that actually worked.
That actually worked. Are you fucking serious? Well, it's definitely not perfect, obviously, but that actually just got rid of pretty much the whole dent. Alright, so it's actually been a few weeks since I filmed anything on this Beamer. So basically, long story short, I've already pulled like the whole front end of the car off. So let me pull this out into the sun and then I will show you what I've done. I'm gonna have to move the 46 first. Alright, so now that I've got the car out here, basically what I've done is I've stripped off pretty much, obviously, all of the nose panel, the bumper, I don't know what it's called, but the cross member brace that runs across here, just to assess sort of the damage that has been made to the vehicle. So we have a very slight little tear here, which isn't actually concerning really to me at all. It's very small. I'm going to get this fully strengthened up again, welded back to its sort of original condition and probably reinforced as well. We've got a little dent in the wheel well here, so gonna get that pushed out. Might even work on that today. At the moment, I'm literally just waiting on parts for this thing, but I'm sort of sick of waiting. So I wasn't sure if I was gonna continue this series or not, or like even this channel, but I decided that I would. So that's why I didn't end up filming this. It's just because I was so busy. I just ended up ripping it off quickly one afternoon. But yeah, the car's so clean. I'm so excited to get into the build. So yeah, I did have it washed. The only thing is the roof's a bit fucked. The roof's got a bit of sun fade on it, so that'll either get wrapped black, or that'll be painted when everything else is painted, like all the bonnet. Alright, so I'm just editing this video and I realized I forgot to do an outro. So like and subscribe if you guys want to follow the build. Thank you everybody for watching. I just finished the other part of this series today, and the car's looking great. So thanks again guys, peace out, have a good day.